Hello everyone, it's John from immoviewer 360, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to take screenshots. Now, as you can see here on my screen, I'm already in the editor, so just a recap for those who don't know how to get to the editor, all you guys have to do is just look for the tour you wish to edit, click on the black edit button, and it should load up the editor, and this is what an editor looks like, or what the editor looks like, pretty much. So in order for you guys to take screenshots, all you guys have to do is just to click on the wrench icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Click on that, and then click on the camera icon right here. So as soon as you click on that, box should appear in the middle of your screen, and you could resize it by just clicking on this arrow right here, double-sided arrow. So you can resize it any way you want and take the screenshot like that. Now what this does is it saves the image to your computer, and as soon as it saves, you can always access that image in your download folder. Now that's how you take screenshots, guys. So if you guys have any comments, suggestions, feedback, reactions, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us through our website, immoviewer.com. Again, this is John, wishing you guys a happy Emo Viewer Day, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.